So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the avatar or you can say the profile picture of your Steam account which you generally use on playing the games over the Steam, and that profile picture is going to be displayed on all over the game that you have been signed in using the Steam. So in order to change that image, all you have to do is to just simply open the Steam software on your PC or any other device that you have been using the Steam for playing the games. Just simply open the Steam. Now you have been seeing the home page of the Steam. Now in order to change the profile picture, you have to go to the option of your profile, and that option you will find on the option of settings. Now to find the option of settings, you will have to click on the option of Steam on the top left corner over there. Just simply click on this option, and when you click there on the second last option, you will see the option of settings. Just simply click on this option. Now you are in the settings of the Steam, and in this window you are going to, on the first option of account on the left window, you see the option of view profile. Just simply click on this option. When you click on this option, you are now seeing the profile picture of your profile, or all the details that you have been done on the recent activities online and everything that all about your profile. Now in order to change the profile picture, all you have to do is to just simply go to this edit profile option over there. Just simply click there, and now you're in the edit profile section of your profile. Here on this window, on this 4 5 7 sections, you have to click on the option of avatar. When you click over there, you are now in the settings of changing the profile picture, or you can say the avatar. Now in order to change the current profile picture, you have to click on the button of upload your avatar, from where you can select the document or the image from your PC only, or either you can select the pre-default added avatars for your profile pictures as well. So by this method, you can easily change the profile picture of the Steam account on your PC. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.